Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. It basically isn't gonna be anything new or life-changing here in this video. Ethereum continues to be moving sideways in the range as well. It's a less clear structure than Bitcoin. Bitcoin, at least, we have a good chance to recognize a structure as a triangle. And it looks very much like a triangle. Here on the Ethereum chart, it is a very unclear and very messy lower degree price action. Yeah, I wouldn't focus too much on it. Did mention it many times before. A lot of people always try to understand every single wave. Now that's not really needed or useful for trading because in a correction that changes very often anyway. So this is clearly still corrective price action and leaves a lot of room for possibilities, right? So best to focus on the key pivot points. First of all, against 1472, the trend is overall up, and the direct escalation to the upside is possible. We already reached our trend reversal area here a few days ago. From that point of view, we need to be ready at any point for continuation to the upside, and a confirmation is needed to really confirm that actually. So we need that price confirmation, and that would be a break impulsively above 1860, the B wave high. I really need to see that to confirm that we are heading to the upside, because until then, well, it could just be an extension of the correction. At the moment, we can count an ABC structure complete, but that doesn't mean it has to be complete. These can always extend out further. So in the very short term, it's really the 1660 level against which we can move higher or focus on higher. But if we break below that, we can just simply morph into the alternative scenario. It just is simply a deeper pullback in an overall uptrend, and as long as 1472 or 1470 is holding, the focus could generally be on higher. Okay, it's just that you can't really say in the beginning of a correction, do we need just a shallow one or do we need a deep one? Therefore, we've got the two support levels. This is basically a huge area of support, and you can see how relevant it is because the price has now reacted quite a few times actually to the 50% retracement here at 1729. We can count, as I said, an ABC structure already complete. So we've got here a 1-2-1-2 setup on the chart that will morph into a larger 1-2 setup should we drop below 1660. So that means we just simply have to reset this wave 2. Wouldn't be a problem. Just means a bit of a deeper pullback. Doesn't change the scenario at all. The trend is clearly still up. As long as we're holding 1472. Yeah, below that level, we may have to change the wave count. Yeah. But again, all we do then is to fall back into the green, huge support area. So what I mean is there is a lot of support between the current price and new bear market lows. It's quite a good situation here for continuation to the upside. Did explain that in previous videos in more detail, but the price hasn't really moved. So it's still here. ABC can be counted complete. Does it mean it needs to be complete and we now rally? No. I mean, we have produced 5 waves up off yesterday's low, but it's a very ugly impulse. So I don't trust it yet, because what could of course happen is that this C wave gets longer. The 5 wave move down of the 23rd of March high might have only been a wave 1 of the C wave. The impulse of yesterday's low might just have been an A wave. That's ugly. The move down now might just be a B wave. And the move up could be a C wave of a wave 2. It shouldn't be that high, but 1 down, 2 up. And we could then follow up with a continuation in a 3rd wave of the C wave. We then should see a 4th wave and a 5th wave down into the yellow support area. So just one impulse to the upside doesn't help. We need to see a series of impulses to the upside to confirm the low is in. And if we get that 1860 breakout, well, then we can really confirm it. And we talk about continuation into the $2,000 plus area. So expectations are for a bullish outcome. But as long as we stay below 1860, there is still potential for short-term pullback in the overall uptrend, okay? And only really below 1472, the trend shifts. But it's still an overall uptrend as long as we are in the green support area. Only below 1218, that's sort of the last level that's relevant. Below 1218, we have to say and adjust and have to say that Ethereum failed to create an impulse and we have to prepare for new bear market lows. That's far away at the moment. So in the short term, medium term, we focus on higher here, but just need a breakout of the range. And ideally this week, this is going to happen. Alright, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.